Okay, so when there is a phone call, um, this screen will pop up and you'll be given the option to select, uh, let me do this. There's a bit of an echo since I'm on a call. There we go. Okay, so when you make a phone call, this screen will come up and the screen basically is the call screen. And at first it will say something like caller is on hold. And then when it says connection established, that means that you can start talking to the caller and they'll be able to hear you. And as you'll notice, um, this is a call from a new number. So it created a deal for me and it shows the deal as being a new deal. And it's in the general pipeline, so it needs to be assigned to a pipeline. And I'm the responsible person for this deal. So it'll show us information for incoming calls. It'll show the contact's name, the deal, the phone number up here that they're calling from, and the phone number that we are receiving their call with. And then we have the ability to put them on hold. So we push this, they'll go on hold and they'll hear hold music. If we push this button, it mutes our line so that they cannot hear what we're saying. This will forward the call to someone else in our company in the Bitrix system, and probably won't be using this much, if ever at all, but in case you ever need to forward a call. And then finally, if you're calling something, if you're calling a number and they, have a requirement that you enter in numbers on a dial pad, like, for English, press 1. This button right here opens up the dial pad. Other than that, you have the comment sections. You can add comments. So I'm adding a comment about this call. Save. You don't want to click deal or invoice unless you're creating a new deal, then you'll click deal. But the system is set up to automatically create new deals with phone calls. So this just creates a new deal. So it would duplicate it. It would create multiple new deals. So don't touch that or the invoice. And then this I wouldn't bother with, but you can, if the call's really bad or something, maybe you can rate it a 1 to give feedback. And that's basically it. So because it's a new call, we don't have the person's name. We can open up the contact and we can edit their information here. So I could say, me, and then enter in my last name, me, and then ask for an email, put that in. So you can collect their information while you're on the phone with them. You can see I'm still on the phone here. The call went over here. And I can type in information. I can also put notes. I can leave comments here for other people. Test call. So these are the things you can do. And I'm going to hang up now. And I'm going to try calling in again. So this is what it looks like when a new call comes in. It's basically the same screen. And I'm going to ignore. And what will happen is a message will be left. And when the person leaves a message or we miss a call, then a new activity will show up in both the deal and the client's information. So if I open this back up, let's see, I'll just refresh. There should be a new call. Oh, well, maybe not. Let's see. I guess it didn't leave a new call for some reason. I don't know, it might take a few minutes for it to show up. Usually it's instant, but for whatever reason it's not showing up there right now. But when a new call is left, I'll show you what it looks like. So when an incoming call comes in, there'll be, it's kind of like a task. There'll be like a green box up here, and it'll have a check where you can check it. And once you check it, it'll come down here and you'll see the voicemail message. So you'll be able to play that message and listen to it. And for every single call that happens, there will be messages left, or the calls will be recorded and we'll be able to listen to them right here, so you can see it all where the client's information or in the deal information. All of these contacts are left and all the recorded messages are saved. So it's pretty easy to follow what has happened with a particular person or a deal. Anyway, I hope that was helpful for how the call system works. I guess one more thing to go over is making a call. So if you go to chats and calls, you can click on this and then dial the number. So if I wanted to dial that number back, I would dial, I don't know, let's try this out, 170. Let's see, that's not the right number. There we go. So it automatically puts in the country. Well, I guess automatically dialing that number. And see, it knows based on the phone number that it's this contact, the contact me that I just created. So there we go. That's it. If you have any questions or if anything doesn't make sense, leave a comment to ask the question below this YouTube video, and I'll respond in this YouTube video. So that way anyone watching it after can see the question and answer. Thanks.